up, guys? We're out here at Largo High School.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
All right, Ethan. All right, we're doing an experiment. It's a social experiment, apparently.
Yeah. Some sick checks.
And now all the seagulls come. It's really impressive how they all fly at once. Bad ideas.
Bad ideas. Was that as many as the second time?
No. They're all full now. Oh, here they come.
They congregate.
I don't know if I'm holding it like this. Everywhere. They're going literally everywhere. I'm frankly not sure what's going on right now, but I'm a little scared.
Alright, boys.
There's the bait. Yeah, they all didn't see it. Just that one dude. That guy's smart. Oh, and that one, and that one, and all of them. All those dudes. Off they go. Yeah. Nothing.
There is only one.
Oh, you didn't even get it. They don't like Chex Mix. Whoa, whoa, those are strong words. Your camera autofocuses literally every 3 seconds.
Yeah. That's a budget phone for you.
Budget. Alright. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe if you want more, and we'll see you guys next time. Alright, thanks.